Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Yo, my hair is crazy, but yeah. Anyways, I am back to the house now. We left here on Tuesday morning because public holiday ended on Monday. Well, Monday was a public holiday. And then today, on Tuesday, babe had to fly back and I had to go and go back to work. So I've been staying at the apartment in Frisco because it's closer to work. But now I have to come back home because I went shopping yesterday, guys. I'm taking a picture for babe to show him how much space there is here because he parked very well. Guys, can you see there's so much space between the cars? Look at this. So much space between the cars. Can you guys see that? The garage is actually very big. So I just want to show babe that we can still put in the bike because he got a bike and we're getting it on when he gets back tomorrow. So he's coming back tomorrow. And I just want to show him that there's enough space for a bike because we also bought a big V-bar. So it's also going to stay inside because of rain. Anyways, guys, I did shopping. So I want to show you guys what I got because it's more furniture stuff. So it's amazing. It's amazing. I'm just sending babe, guys. So babe first and then you guys. Okay. But yeah, so I'm back at the house now just to deliver the stuff and I'll spend the morning here before I go back to work. Because where's the car key? Because I have to go to work. I start at 2:30, so that's perfect. But let me show you guys. I got stuff. Obviously, I'll do a whole haul with you guys, but let me show you. The boot is full. That's why I had to come back because there won't be any space for babe's bags tomorrow if I had kept these things in here. Let me show you guys. So I got a lot of things that we need. Ah, my word, guys. Me and shopping. So I also have like our bedside tables here. So one of them is here and one of them is in the back. That's why it's so full. So let's get these things out and I'll show you guys. Oh, another thing. What do you guys think of this configuration? Having the couch face that way and we'll have the TV there. Because Honey Bun says people can see from outside. We walked around on Monday night. And yeah, you can see through people's windows at night. So he wants to put the TV there. We also got a TV, guys. Everything is coming this weekend. And then now it makes the space look bigger for a dining table. Anyways, we'll see. Let me get the stuff in here and I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, so I finally have everything out of the car and I have everything on the floor. You guys can see these are the bedside tables. I'm going to take them upstairs and I'll show you guys once I've set them up because I'm not going to be picking them up for the camera. But let's start with the tiny things. I've got a lot of bags here. Babe was like, I sent him a picture now and he's like, oh, again a lot of stuff. And I'm like, babe, please. Anyways, we've got a candle. So I'm buying a lot of these candles, guys. But we've got a candle. Open. Come on. Candle. It smells quite nice and I like the flower thing because you place it and it kind of looks nice as well. It's not like what is this type of vibe. So I have that, and because our stove didn't come with any pans, I had to buy pans. So I bought two actually. So I bought this one, like a normal tray. It says high performance ovenware non-stick ceramic. I don't know, we'll see. But I got a tray. I got two of these. As if I use a tray, but we used the oven on Monday because we made, what's this? We made garlic bread. So I guess it's good to have trays. It looks sturdy enough. And you heard that, guys. I thought these picture frames were quite cute. Can you guys see? I like this. And it's black, so it goes with the whole black accents around the house. I don't know where I'll put these yet, but I'll stay like this. But this is what it looks like. So for now, we don't have pictures. We need to print out pictures as well. So, but once we have like our stuff, we'll know where what goes where. And then also, I've been wanting these storage containers that have like wooden lids. So I started getting some. So for this, I'm gonna put like spaghetti in here. And it's glass, which is quite nice. I like that it's glass. So I'm gonna put spaghetti in here. But these things need to be washed. So I guess I need to first wash them before I put my food. So it means the dishwasher is gonna be running again today. We'll see if it fills up, but yeah. And then I got this pot plant. It is cute. I'm gonna replace. So this one, I think I'll put up on the windowsill. Oh, this one is big, guys. Because this one I want to put on the coffee table. We'll see how it works out. If this is too big for the TV, because obviously we don't want it to, you know, the TV not to show. It'll either sit next to the TV or it will go up on the windowsill, and I'll bring back this one. We'll see how it goes. But this one now, because this one will give like a little bit of like color pop, like pop. But I like this. I like the pot, the vase that it's in. It's very nice. It is amazing. It looks nice. And then I bought like throws, because you saw our bed is very plain right now. So I got this one specifically to go try on our bed. See if this... Our bed is brown, but I think it will look nice, guys. And this actually, I don't know who this, Nicole Miller Home TM, but it's nice. Like, it's very nice. So it's gonna go on our bed just for decor. I got more, what's this, clips, just for back clips. Yes, back clips, just to hold our stuff, you know, because yeah, we need that. And then this is actually, they say it's you can use it to steam, so you can put it inside your pot and steam your vegetables, and it can also be used as a colander. So that's why I got it. We need a colander. I realized last week when I was trying to rinse stuff and I couldn't. Oh, babe, I forgot to put back babe's Swiss knife, but it's good for me because then I've got it to do this. Oh my word, it's so tiny. But yeah, I like that it's collapsible because it saves space. It means that I can put it in the drawer, you know, if I can collapse it back. But now it needs to be washed, so I'll put it in the dishwasher as well. Then I got, this is for my tea bags. So I'm gonna store my tea bags nicely in here, because right now they're just sitting randomly. But I'll show you guys everything. So this, I think I also need to wash it because some of the tea bags are not in packets, so it also needs to be washed. I guess I won't show you guys today because most of these things I'll show you guys what I can't do today, and then the rest you guys will just see. This is for cheese, like babe eats cheese, so I thought of him when I saw this. So it's like a cheese storage thing, so we don't have to. No, they put the sticky thing on the container anyways, so you can put the cheese in here and then just open it. You know those cheese slices, wash as well. Everything just needs to be washed. I'm gonna wash everything. And I told babe when we were cooking last week that we need the pot thingies for the counters. So when we're cooking, we know we just, if we want to remove, we're cooking a lot of things, we remove it from the hot stove. And I am glad I found them, and these are cute. And I actually thought this gray, I took this one because it was darker, because our counter is like lightish gray, I guess. Countertop is lightish gray. So there's 3 of them, perfect. And we've got these don't need to be washed. Oh, they smell funky though. They smell funky. I got this bathroom storage for my cotton balls, for earbuds, and I don't know what I'll put in here, but I'll put something else, whatever I'll put in here. But my, not cotton balls, cotton discs for my face. So I didn't realize that, oh, this is like a pet thingy. I was just getting a diffuser, and I saw when I was paying that it's actually for pets, because it says like pet what diffuser, which is fine. I'm not gonna complain about it. It's a diffuser. It'll still remove odors. Another picture frame, same style but in white, so they'll go well together. Contrast. So more picture frame. Another picture frame. So I need to start printing pictures or taking pictures. Then I got another throw. This one is specifically for, it's green to break the neutrals in here. So I got this. I'll put it there and I'll see if I should take this upstairs or it should stay down here. But this will be for the couch. And it goes, might as well show you guys the cushions as well. So I've got these cushions as well, just to go with the green for the couch to break the neutrals. I'm very happy with, I like the green. I like it. And then I have storage for, this is storage for the fridge. So I'll organize, I liked it because I can organize my fruits nicely, because now they're just scattered all around. So there's 2 of them in here. I'm quite excited about it. So the nice thing that I like about this as well, this glue thing, is that, so inside the dividers come off, so you can make it into a 3, a 2, or 1 single, up to you, but the dividers come off, which is quite nice. So they come in a set of 2, which is amazing. Fruits and vegetables, storage. Then I got more jars for the pantry, same wooden style lid. Ooh, this one is like pop. Oh, so it's like you can use either side as a lid. Cool. Cool. It says bamboo lid. And next one, I think it's another jar. I don't know why they put everything in like one thingy. Another jar, different style, but same concept. And these are for, they specifically written sugar and coffee, and I got these because they kind of match my current setup there, so I can remove some stuff from there and put these ones. So this will be for sugar. I'll put it there. And I think, I don't know if these things can go into the dishwasher. I don't think so. And I got an onion holder just so that the onion doesn't, I guess it keeps it fresh. Yeah, it keeps it fresh. So I've got that. I saw these 2 weeks ago with Babe, and yeah. And it looks like an onion. I think I got one for garlic as well. And I just got under eye stuff. I got mats, outside mats. This one is for the garage because we use the garage door a lot. So I'll put it by the garage door. And I got this one for the front yard. It says welcome. Guys, this thing kind of hurts as well. But it says welcome. So this one will be for the front door. And then I got this guy or girl, whatever you want to call them, but it's deco. It's given, your girl is putting deco around. Guys, I'm just buying random stuff, but deco. I don't know where I'm going to put this. I'll probably buy the TV stand as well. I'll probably have this one. There were different kinds. I just liked this one more. And what else do we have here? Guys, we have a lot of stuff today. I think it's just a lot of small stuff. So I had to buy another oil spray because the one that I got the other time, the spray doesn't work. So I hope that this one does, because you see, I tested it and it's like, so I hope it works. So I'll try it, I'll clean it as well, and then I'll try it. But I'm just trying things. Another jar, I think this one will put like macaroni, whatever kind of other pasta we can get, like we have. Another jar. I'm happy with the wood thing going on here. I love it. And this one is for coffee, for my love. Same as the sugar one. It will go there so that he always has it accessible. And last bag, guys, last bag. Why is this so heavy? Ah, it's another candle. Hey, another scented candle. Oh, this is green. So it will, oh, the other one is also green. So it can stand with, it can match with, you see, the green for the couch, but it's another scented candle. We're going to be having scented candles all over the house, guys. And I think this is another, I was actually thinking of giving this one to Babe because it's got a spoon for his coffee. But another one, guys, I just have them. Do not kill me. I just bought. Okay, we'll see. We never have enough storage. And then I finally got a roasting pan. I saw this one. I was like, hey, you know, this one will work better for roasts instead of the other one. So I got a roasting pan. I'm happy about. And the last thing that I got in this haul is a step, because you guys know I'm very short. Well, if you don't know now, you know. I'm very short. I'm very, very short. Like, I'm shorter than everyone I know. Okay, not everyone I know, but I'm very short. And I've just realized that, actually, that I'm very, very short. But it's a stool. If this doesn't work for me reaching the other tops, I'll get like that wooden one that also folds, because I want it to fold so that, you know, space, guys. We're thinking of space. I don't want things that are bulky. And I like the color. So I'll use this if it doesn't work out as a step to get to the top shelves. I will use this for the toilet, because you need to elevate your feet. I've always wanted to get one, but I guess I can use this as well to elevate my feet. So let's get packing, guys. Let's pack things now. I'll show you guys once I've packed everything. I'm not gonna pack with you guys. I'll show you guys once I've packed everything, how everything looks. Okay,